Hello guys, good afternoon everyone. Good evening, good morning, depending on where you're watching me from. So we are still on the Ekene Umenwa wedding episode. Yes, I will say that. So today is Sunday. Today is a week and a day that she did her wedding with her husband. So if you're a Nigerian, you will understand what I mean. After a wedding, especially after a wedding, then the couple have to go to church for Thanksgiving to appreciate God. So Ekene Umenwa and her husband, they went for Thanksgiving service today. And believe me, Nollywood stars, they came through again. They did it again. Come and see. This girl, this Ekene and her husband, they are so loved. And this girl carried one special grace. Just guys, just keep on watching. See everything by yourself. And pray for her for a peaceful marriage. Let God protect them, keep them away from evil eyes. Yes, keep her in your prayers. And so keep on watching. If you have not followed my page, please click the follow button. Okay, give the video a thumbs up. You can as well share. Can as well share the video. Okay, so guys, I will see you on my next video. Keep on watching. Enjoy yourself. Have a good day. Bye.